Okay, good evening, my friends. Today I am going to discuss lot of things about the technical paper of assistant engineer and the junior engineer, which we call it as the technical paper 2, and in the subject called as highway engineering. So today I have come out with the questions, the questions which have got the alternative answers. I am going to deal with how exactly these answers are written. The first one in the subject, I am going to write the subject called highway engineering. So the subject is highway engineering. So in the highway engineering, the question which is going to be asked, look I am going to write the question. The question number one. Question number one. In India, the modes of transportation in order of importance. So in order of importance. So this will be a question. In India, the modes of transportation in the order of their importance. There will be four optional questions. First one will be airport, shipping, roads, railways, and the second option is shipping, roads, railways, airport, and the air transport or airport or air transport. The third will be roads, railways, air transport, and shipping. The right answer the right answer is the D among this one. The D, that is called as railways, roads, shipping, and air transport. Okay. Among the four questions, the right answer is the railways, roads, shipping, and the air transport. So in a very simple way, it can be told. So again, if the question comes in other way also, the student should be able to write the answer. The modes of the transportation are four. It may be the roadways, railways, airways, and also the water transportation. That what exactly meaning is that it is the railways, roadways, then shipping in the term of waterways, and the fourth answer is air transport or airways. So this way the question should be asked. You should always know it will be the four modes of the transportation. The first mode is called as railways, roadways, and airways, and also the waterways. So this is the question how you should be written. And in the question number 2, I am going to write that the question number 2 will be on this side. So I am writing the question and answers how exactly it should be answered. The question number 2 is superior the road superior the road. Options are four, of course. If the road is to be superior, and what could be there? What are the general criteria? The answers are four. The first answer is sleeper is the cross slope. Sleeper is the cross slope or a camber. The cross slope or a camber. Then second one, gentle is the camber, and the third option is sleeper is the super elevation, and the fourth answer for this is lesser is the cost. The answer is gentle is the camber. The answer is Gentle is the chamber. So again, I'm going to discuss a lot of technical. This is only a small demo which I'm going to do. What is a chamber? Chamber is a cross slope. That are not a cross slope which is provided to the road surface to drain off the rainwater. This is what exactly? To drain off the rainwater. Okay. This is the answer. Superior the road. If the road is to be superior, then it should have a smooth or gentle camber. It should have a smooth or gentle camber. This is a question how exactly. This is the right answer. That's the right answer. Then question number 3. Question number 3 is Indian Road Congress IRC. I'm reading about right. This is question number 3. How exactly this should be asked? Question number 3. IRC. Question number 3. IRC. IRC means Indian Road Congress. Indian Road Congress. So the question comes in this question. Indian Road Congress was founded and constituted with its headquarters at New Delhi in which year this IRC was founded. The year was there are 4 options. I repeat once again the question. The Indian Road Congress, shortly called as Indian Road Congress. So this was founded when it was formed, when the Indian Road Congress was formed or founded and constituted with its headquarters at New Delhi. No doubt the Indian Road Congress headquarters is at New Delhi, and in which year this was being founded. There are 4 answers. There are 4 answers. One is 1924. I write it out. One is 1924. Another is 1927, and third is 1930. The right answer is 1934. The right answer is 1934. The right answer is 1934. So means the Indian Road Congress was started in the year 1934 with its headquarters New Delhi. So here the correct answer is 1934. There are 4 answers have been given. I read them. So the 4 answers are: one is 1924, second is 1927, third is 1930, and the 4th answer is 1934. The right answer is 1934. Okay. Now the next question. The next question. For administration of road transport, a Motor Vehicle Act was enacted. So the Motor Vehicle Act, MEC, that's what we call. This Motor Vehicle Act was started, understand or not? When this Motor Vehicle Act come into picture or come into existence. Again, for Motor Vehicle Act, I write it now. This is shortly called as MVA, Motor Vehicle Act. When this Motor Vehicle Act come into existence. So this has again the 4 answers are there. One is, the first answer is 1927, second answer is 1934, third answer is 1939, fourth answer is 1947. The correct answer for which the Motor Vehicle Act come into existence in the year 1939. The answer is 1939. Look here. Among the 4 answers, I repeat now, when the Motor Vehicle Act come into existence, there are 4 answers are there. One is 1927, second is 1934, third is 1939, and fourth is 1947. The right answer is 1939. In the year 1939, Motor Vehicle Act come into existence. Next, the next question may be asked in this fashion. The Central Road Organization, right now. The question is this way: Look at the question is Central Road Organization. Right now, it is shortly called as CRO. Because this is been called as CRO. Central Road Organization. CRO means the Central Road Organization. So now question comes in this fashion. The Central Road Organization was set up in the year. Four answers are there. The Central Road Organization, which is shortly known as CRO, was set up in the year. Four answers are there. One is, first answer is 1930, second answer is 1934, third answer is 1948, and the fifth answer is 1956. The right answer is 1930. The right answer is 1930. The right answer is 1930. I repeat again questions. Again, let's look at things. No more confusion. The Central Road Organization, which is shortly known as CRO, was set up in the year. In the year, there are four answers. One is 1930, second is 1934, the third is 1948, and the fourth is 1956. The right answer is 1930. The right answer is 1930. So means this Central Road Organization, which is shortly known as CRO, was set up in the year 1930. Okay, this question. There are four dates to be given. 1930. There are four which I told. The right answer is, you should say the Central Road Organization was set up in the year 1930. Next, the next question is the Central Road Research Institute. So again, this is again I'm going to tell you about that. So now I am reading shortly. The Central Road Research Institute, CRRI. CRRI. So look here. What is CRRI? The Central Road Research Institute. Central Road Research Institute was started in Delhi. He is writing the Central Road Research Institute, shortly known as CRRI, which was started in Delhi. In which year? There are four options was given. Write it down. I read the option. One is 1951, second is 1955, third is 1964, and fourth is 1965. The right answer is 1951. The right answer is 1951. Means you should say that this Central Road Research Institute was formed in Delhi, was instituted in Delhi, which is the year 1951. The answer, right answer is 1951. So next question, next option. The next option. The next question will be the road connecting, right the road connecting district headquarters of a state. The question is the road connecting district headquarters of a state is known as, what it is. There are four options are there, my friends. One is national highway, second is the state highway, third is known as the district road, major district road that is, and the last one is minor district road. Then the answer I am going to write. The correct answer is the road connecting district headquarters of a state is known as state highway. It is known as state highway. So answer, this is the right answer. Write it now once again I am going to write. The road connecting district headquarters of a state is, answer is the state highway. There are four options are there which I already told. The options are national highway, state highway, major district road, another district road. The correct answer is the state highway. Means the answer is the road connecting district headquarters of a state is known as a state highway. Next. Next question next question will be that the road connecting one town with another town. Look at the question is that the road connecting one town with another town is designated as, or called as, if you mean to say. The road connecting one town with another town is known as. There are four options are given, my boys. One is known as national highways, the second is known as state highways, third is known as the district road, and the fourth is known as village road. The right answer is state highway. The right answer is once again state highways. So I read the question now once again. The road connecting the one town with another, the road connecting one town with another is that particular road is known as or designed as or designated as. It is known as a state highway. There are four options I told you already. The options given will be national highways, state highways, district road and village road. So means the road connecting one town with another town is known as a state highway. The right answer is a state highway. Okay. Next question. Next question. How it will be asked? Okay. Next question. The road connecting capitals for states means the road which connects the two capitals of the state. Understand or not? So means that particular road which connects the two state capitals. The meaning is that the road which connects the two state capitals is known as. I read now. The road connecting capitals for state is known as. Once again, there are four options. One is known as the national highway. Second is known as the provincial highway. Third is known as the state highway, and the fourth is known as the expressway. The right answer is national highway. The right answer is national highways. National highways. So means the question once again I would like to tell the answer now. The road connecting capitals for a state, or in the other way, that particular road which connects the two state capitals is known as the national highway. These national highways will connect the two state capitals of any state. So they are known as national highway. Options given are you already. The first option is national highway, second is known as the provincial highway, third is known as the state highway, and the fourth is known as the expressway. The right answer is national highways. So next question. Next question. It will be asked. The major district road, right now, the major district road connect market and the production areas. Look here. The major district road which connect market and the production area within a district is known as what type of road it is. I repeat now. That particular road which connects the major district road and also which is going to connect the market and the production areas. So there again four options are there. One is known as the state highway, second is known as the national highway, third is known as the railway stations, and the fourth is known as all of the above. Means so the state highway will also connect, the national highway will also connect, even the railway station means the railway station roads. Actually it should have been the railway station roads also, which will also connect the marketplace and also the production area. So the right answer is all of the above. All of the above means it may be national highway, it may be state highway, or it may be the railway station roads, etc. All are the major roads which will connect the market area to the production area. Production area means where the industrial place, which will directly connect the industrial area to the market area. So next is the question number 13. Question that's not necessary. The question is the road connecting a city to a highway. The road connecting a city to a highway is called as. Repeat the things. The road connecting a city to a highway is called as. Four options are there. I repeat once again the question. The road connecting a city to a highway is called. Again, four options. One is known as arterial street, second is known as subarterial street, third is known as the collector street, and the fourth option is local streets. Look here, the answer I am going to tell you. The correct answer is arterial street. The correct answer is arterial streets. Arterial streets. I repeat again once again, my boys and girls, of course. The road connecting a city to a highway. Try to understand the question. That particular road which is going to connecting a city to a highway, from city to a highway, is called as arterial street. That road is called as a arterial street. Understand? With the four options, as I told you already, the options is arterial street, second is subarterial street, and third is known as the collector street, and the fourth is known as the local street. Okay. The next question. Next question. The city roads providing an access to the residence, business area, and also the other buildings are known as. Look here. That particular road providing an access, means which is not, which will connecting the, which will form accessibility to the residential area, business area and other buildings are known as. There are four options. Again I read the question. That road, the city roads providing an access to the residence, business and other buildings are called. Four options. One is known as arterial street, second is known as the subarterial street, and third is known as the collector street, and the last is known as the local street. The answer is local street. So local street. So this is called as answer is local street. So means once again it's be clear, the city road which provides an access to the residence, business and other buildings are called a local street. Among the four options, one option is arterial, one of the options is arterial road, subarterial street, collector street, and the last one is a local street. The answer is local street. So next one. Next question, my boys. Look at the question number. That question. The city roads which are meant for thorough traffic. I repeat once again. The city roads which are meant for thorough traffic, usually on a continuous route. Are known as. I repeat the question once again. The city roads which are meant for a thorough traffic, usually on a continuous route, are known as. Four options are there. One is known as a carriageway, second is expressway, third is known as a arterial streets, and the fourth is known as a subarterial streets. The correct answer is arterial streets. The correct answer is arterial streets. I repeat once again question answer. Whatever actually the question. I repeat. The city roads which are meant for thorough traffic, usually on a continuous route, are known as. Answer is arterial streets. Again options also I told. There are four options. One is known as a carriageway, second is known as the expressway, third is known as the arterial street, and the fourth is known as the subarterial streets. The correct answer is arterial streets. These arterial streets will be meant for a thorough traffic, usually on a continuous route. Next question. A road connecting one town with another. Again I told you, a road connecting one town with another is known as. Again there are four options are there. I repeat the question once again. A road connecting one town with another is called. Four options. One is highway, second is known as the main road, third is known as the trunk road, the fourth one is known as a country road. Correct or not? So now again the answer is, I repeat again question. A road connecting one town with another means the road which will connect the two towns is known as highway.
ಪವರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ರೀ. ಪವರ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಇದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಗ್ಲಾಗ್ತದೆ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಲೈಟ್ ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ 23.49. ಅದೇ 23 ಮಿನಿಟ್.
20 minutes ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್.
ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಾಳೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಎಸ್.
ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಟ್ ಹೋಗು.
ಲೈಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ
ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿ
24 ಮಿನಿಟ್.